Hi creators, I know a lot of you want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, especially because faceless YouTube channel are currently booming in 2025. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step ways on how to start your faceless YouTube channel and also be successful at it. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So the first important step is for you to pick a niche. Yes, when it comes to faceless YouTube channel, you need to have a specific niche that you want to do on that channel. Now, it's not just about choosing a niche. You need to choose a niche that people are looking for, a niche that people are searching for, a niche that has strong and popular demand, and one that will not be too stressful for faceless content. We have AI and tech niche, we have motivational and success videos, we have true crimes, we have finance videos also, because of course people are looking for ways to make money. In fact, I'm going to do a video talking about profitable niches you can do as a faceless content creator, so look forward to that. Step 2. So now that you've picked a profitable niche for your faceless YouTube channel, it is time to ask yourself a few important questions. Questions like, what kind of videos will I create? What is my upload schedule going to be like? Will I upload once in a week? Is it 5 times a week? Is it morning, afternoon, or night? And the third important question you need to ask yourself is, can I batch create content? In fact, I am asking you now, can you film like 4 to 5 videos in a sitting and not go blank? Are you willing to do the work? Are you willing to script your videos? Are you willing to plan to ensure that your strategies are the correct one? So to help you not to burn out immediately, I will advise that you get a content calendar so that you'll be able to organize all your content ideas. Now that you've been able to pick a profitable niche and also plan a content strategy, the third step for you to do is to create your scripts and voiceovers. So speaking from my personal experience, the fact that you have a faceless channel does not mean you will be voiceless. So it is either you use your real voice or you use AI voice. There are a lot of AI voices now. Like, you can easily generate AI voices using your CapCut, your video editors, or using other AI generation apps. So for you to be able to achieve this, your first option is to script your video, record it, and use your mic to do a voiceover using your real voice. If you feel like you don't want to go with option A, you can try option B, which is scripting your video, recording your video, and tweaking your voice using an AI voice generator. So now I'm going to do a quick experiment. Like, hi guys, welcome to my faceless YouTube channel. I am so happy to have you here. Now, compared to this,
Hi guys, welcome to my Faceless YouTube channel. I am super duper happy to have you on my channel.
I believe you guys were able to spot the difference from my real voice to my AI generated voice. And guess what? I did it using my CapCut editing app, no external voice generator. What you just need to do is to make sure that your script is engaging, informative, and flows naturally. If you don't know how to script your videos, you can actually use tools like ChatGPT. It helps a lot. Now, the fourth step you need to create a successful faceless YouTube channel is to make your visuals. Remember that we are talking about faceless YouTube channel here, so definitely your visuals is not your face. Your visuals is not something like this that I am talking to you directly. And the few methods you can use in creating beautiful, eye-catching visuals is by using stock videos or stock photos. So I'm going to give you a few apps where you can get stock videos or stock photos, and one of them is Pixabay. You can also use Pixels and Storylab to generate your footages. The visuals that is trending the most on YouTube now is animation. Don't tell me you don't know what animation is. You want to start a faceless YouTube channel and you don't know what animation is. Are you kidding me? Anyway, this is an example of what animation is. For you to be able to generate animations, you can use tools like Canva. Yes, Canva can help you generate animated footages. You can also use tools like Animaker Make It Easy or something like that. At this point, if you are not taking notes, then I don't know what you are doing. So another way to make your visuals for your faceless YouTube channel is by doing screen recording. I'm sure a lot of us know what screen recording is. Screen recording is actually good and helpful if you are into tutorials. It's also very easy because all you need to do is just to, tap on screen record on your phone and then go through the tutorials like what you are teaching people, just the way I taught you how to create a successful YouTube channel the correct way. Screen recording just makes the job easier for you. Guys, we are still on visuals because your visuals is actually what will attract viewers to your video. Your visuals, you need to take your time to create them because those are the things that will keep your audience watching your videos. If your video is valuable, it is informative, educative, but you don't have the correct visuals, or you don't have the attractive or tempting visuals, I'm sorry, you may not be able to keep viewers from watching your videos for a long period of time. That is one of the reasons why I am emphasizing and giving you options when it comes to making the correct visuals. So the next option you have for making your visuals is you using AI tools. Tools like Picker Lab, Synthesia, Runway, and a lot more others will help you to actually make stunning AI visuals fast. That means you don't have to go and be doing coding to, create animated characters or to create cartoon-like characters. These applications I have listed above or below will help you to create those visuals fast. And guess what? Even ChatGPT now creates animated characters. How beautiful. After getting all these visuals, the next thing you want to do is to move everything into your editing app. If you are using CapCut, all well and good. If it is InShot, all well and good. So the next thing you need to do is to move all those visuals that you have created into your editing app and let the editing begin. So now the fifth step you need to do is to optimize your video for YouTube and upload. There's a way to optimize your video. It is not enough to just film a video, edit it, and just upload it. There's something we call search engine optimization. So now that we've created our video, we need to make sure that people see it, and not just people to see it, the right people, the right audience. That is where search engine optimization comes in. So the first thing you need to do to optimize your video the right way for YouTube is your title. You need to use a strong keyword and a compelling title that will make audience want to watch your videos. Let's say you can teach somebody how to make 1 million in one day. You have to optimize your video for people to see it and be willing to watch. That means just put it out there, how to make 1 million in one day. The moment I see how to make 1 million in 24 hours, trust me, I'm going to click on that video because I want to see what that video entails. So that is how we optimize our video, using titles, compelling titles, not just anyhow title. So the next thing you want to do is you need to go to your description and add relevant keywords and a short summary of what your video is about. So after adding a short summary of what your video is about, the next thing you need to do is hashtags. Use hashtags that are relating to your niche. Don't go and use hashtag live vlog go viral for a tech channel. It does not make sense. You and I, we both know that it does not make sense. So if you are into vlogs, you put hashtag vlogs, hashtag silent vlogs. If you are into tech, you put hashtag tech, hashtag anything tech related. Do you get that? You can use applications like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Trust me, those two I mentioned are really, really, really good. They can help you to boost your channel in just a few months. The next important way for you to optimize your video before you upload is thumbnail. Your thumbnail cannot be overemphasized. You need to design eye-catching thumbnails that when people are scrolling, once they see it, they will stop and click on that channel. So even on your thumbnail, you need to put compelling topics. Just put something compelling that will draw the attention of viewers or your audience. So now that we are done with all the search engine optimization steps, the next thing we need to do is to upload our video for our audience to watch. And don't worry, I'm going to do a video on the best and right way on how to upload your videos here on YouTube. So look forward to that video. So the sixth step on how to create your successful Faceless YouTube channel in 2025 is to grow your channel. You've done a lot, you've put in the effort, you've done the job, you've done the research. Now is the time for you to grow your channel, and I'm going to give you a few hacks that you can use in 2025. First and foremost, this one is not super important, but if you feel the need to, in fact, since you are just starting out and you don't really have a community of yours, I would advise you that you post short videos. The truth about posting shorts regularly on your channel is the fact that they boost visibility on your channel fast, and they help you reach a good number of audience in the shortest possible time. The next thing you need to do to grow your channel is that you should engage with your audience in the comment section. Some of you are fond of snubbing people on the comment section, and that's not nice. So if you are just starting out, you don't really have a lot of comments under your videos, and you just ignore them, that's not a good sign. YouTube likes it when creators interact with their audience. So when people leave comments on your videos, try to reply them, try to engage with them under the comment section. That will send a good sign to YouTube, because YouTube will be like, oh, this creator likes their audience, so let's keep pushing this creator. So that is how it works. Don't snub your audience, I beg you, please do not snub your audience on YouTube. That's not a good sign. Lastly, to grow your channel, please leverage on AI tools. Guys, leverage on AI tools. This cannot be overemphasized. And I want you to know that your first 100 videos is more like you are practicing on your channel. So keep uploading regardless of how bad you feel it is until you become perfect. So after you have been able to grow your channel to a certain level, this is where monetization comes in. And trust me, there are a few ways to get monetized. First is by entering the YouTube partner program. This is the one where YouTube starts placing ads on your videos. I think I talked about it in one of my videos, so you can just go back and watch. The second way you can monetize your channel is by sponsorship. So even if YouTube has not started placing ads on your videos, you can actually monetize your channel by getting sponsorship. And this is when people decide to sponsor your video by sending you products. It can be digital products, it can be physical products, whatever it is. They just send you things, to sponsor your video. Now come closer. I want to tell you a secret. Some faceless channel make about $10,000 monthly without showing their face. So if you want to start a faceless channel, I can assure you that you are on the right path. So if you found this video helpful, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the comment section. I want to hear from you. And don't forget, I am giving out a free tripod, and you know what to do. Just engage in my videos for the next 30 days. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.